Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm preparing for my cozy corner, so come on with me guys. So I have to admit, I really love the white and the greenery. I love that look. It looks so refreshing. But we're gonna change it out and just put little hints of fall into this cozy corner. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignettes, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Now I do have some co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. We have IB Doll, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Design, Annalise Cupboard, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now let's head on over to the tier tray. So I did purchase some awesome items from the Dollar Tree and I cannot wait for you to see them. So I'm gonna leave you to some music while we decorate the first and second level. So this chia tray turned out absolutely amazing. So let's head on over to the next step. Now I wasn't ready to let go of this this vase, and especially with the dangling bee. But we do have sunflowers and we have a little bit of lamb's ear. Let's go ahead and make a little floral arrangement for that corner. Okay, so here we are at the corner. I'm gonna clean it up first. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music until I'm done decorating it. I can't wait for you to see it, guys. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab because there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. Also, all of the thumbnails plus all of the hosts, guest hosts are all on the thumbnails already. So the only thing you need to do is take a snapshot of the thumbnail and continue on with your video. Surprise, look at this. I got a new teapot and it's all apples. Is this not absolutely gorgeous? Now, I did pick up the creamer and the sugar first, and then I could not believe I spotted the teapot on another day that I went. It was amazing. That was nothing but the Lord, guys. So this is one of the cutest sets that I've ever had, and I haven't had very many. So I'm collecting them now, and I absolutely love these apples. Okay, so I am lighting the candle and we're heading on over to the reveal. I think my cozy corner turned out absolutely amazing, and I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.